Hey guys, right now we are on. Oh. Okay, hey guys, right now we are on our way. No. Okay, hey guys, right now we are on our way to buy. We are on our way to buy my new camera, the GoPro Hero 5. I'm just using this phone because I packed my camera in the luggage. So later on, you will see how good and how clear the GoPro Hero 5 is. I shaved, but I still kept it. Oh, it's that guy. See ya. So now we are on our way to pick Ryman up. I'm here with Asner and my dad. We are gonna pick Ryman before we buy the camera. We're gonna eat shawarma because yesterday we weren't. We're gonna eat shawarma because yesterday we're gonna. We're gonna eat shawarma because yesterday. We're gonna eat shawarma because yesterday we weren't able to eat shawarma. Hey guys, what's up? So right now I'm at the restaurant and I just bought my, nope, not this one, GoPro. I can't test it right now because it doesn't have battery. I have to charge it at home. I'm here with Ryman actually. Look. Say hi. Alright, do this, do see it. You know the see it?